underway in the trial of Metro Police Officer David Bisard, the focus has shifted to what could be the key piece of evidence in this case.
We're talking about the blood test that put the blood alcohol level at .19 when he crashed his squad car into a group of motorcyclists. The main witness today, the person who drew that blood. RTV6's Jack Reinhardt has been inside the courtroom for all of the testimony.
The blood alcohol evidence in the case is a major point of emphasis for the prosecution and the defense, and much of today was spent dissecting how it was drawn. For the state, the blood was tested 3 times with the same result of .19, more than 2.5 times the legal limit. But many in the courtroom believe that Michelle Maga Johnson, the med tech who drew the blood, proved a more effective witness for the defense rather than the prosecution. Johnson admitted that she felt pressured at the Methodist clinic in the presence of so many police officers. She acknowledged mistakes like swapping Bisard's arm with an alcohol swab for an alcohol test. Twice, Johnson almost began the blood draw with expired vials, and in 3 separate reports, including one she wrote herself, she failed to acknowledge or couldn't recall whether she properly mixed the blood with the preservatives and coagulants inside the vials. Lieutenant Stan Stevens, a former Lawrence police officer and a member of the fatal alcohol crash team, witnessed the draw. Stevens testified that he couldn't recall Johnson agitating the blood before he took it to the IMPD property room. Stevens also said that he had more than 1 hour to observe Bisard at the clinic. When questioned later, Stevens said of Bisard's blood test, "I was shocked. For the life of me, I didn't see any signs of impairment." The state still has 35 witnesses to call. They indicated to the judge today that they could wrap up their case by Thursday. In Allen County, Jack Reinhardt, RTV6.